Start by baking your potatoes and your carrots. For at least 45 minutes to an hour. Put your baked potatoes in your pan of coconut oil. Remember, coconut oil is the best oil to cook because it saves its nutrients instead of burning the nutrients. So place your baked potatoes, and I already cut up tomatoes, so I'm putting tomatoes and green peppers, onions, and chili peppers. Add your favorite seasonings. I use paprika and salt and pepper, but I use sea salt. Cut up your baked potato into chunks. Add your seasoning. And you don't need too much oil, just fry until it gets warm. Take your carrot and put it in the pan. And cut it all up. Alright, take half of an avocado and smash it up into a bowl. Okay, and then add spelt flour. Stir it up. It just depends on how much you need. Just keep adding so it's not sticking to your spoon, so it's more like a dough. Just keep adding. You may have to add a lot. So once you're able to pick it up, lay some more spelt flour on a cutting board and mix it into the dough. And cut up your dough so that it's into maybe 6 pieces. And take one of the pieces and flatten the dough out. Once it's flat, you can add your veggies to the middle of the empanada and just squeeze the dough around it so that it stays shut, and place it in the pan. And keep doing that until all of the empanadas are made. And then in a pan, in a skillet, don't add any olive oil, just heat up the empanadas. Add some more flour if you need to so they don't stick to the pan, but they shouldn't. And fry on each side for about maybe 5 minutes until it's brown, golden brown. If you have any leftover bread, you can just flatten it out and put it in the pan. And you can use the bread for anything. The bread doesn't take long to cook, maybe just like 2 minutes on each side, or until golden brown. And there you have it. Empanadas and bread. Enjoy.